Hello everyone, my name is Anamika Singh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I would like to tell you that I keep posting a lot of content related to recent hiring in private sector, then be it for tutor roles or non-tutor roles. I also post a lot of videos on do's and don'ts of an online session if you are an online tutor. And if you haven't already watched all the videos that I have posted so far, I will link the entire playlist over here so that you can tap onto the I button and just go watch and stay up to date. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a current hiring which is being done by a great MNC IBM. Yes, you heard it right. IBM is currently bulk hiring for this job role, and the best part about this is that any graduate can apply, whether you've done your bachelor's as a BTech or you have done your BSc, BCA, all of that. Any graduate can apply, and they are not demanding for a mandatory experience. If you have an experience, well and good. If you don't, if you are a fresher, you need an entry level job, then you can definitely apply for this. Another great thing about this current hiring by IBM is that the job role is for non-coding professional. Now if you're wondering, like if you were wondering that IBM is hiring so it must be for coding roles, so it's nothing like that. This job role is purely related to operations, and in this video I will also cover the entire application process, how you can apply for this position, what are the different steps which are involved, what are the roles and responsibilities, is it work from home, work from office, and all of that. So if you are interested to know more about the same, I will suggest you to keep watching this video till the end. So this is the job role for which IBM is currently hiring. It is known as operations buyer, and you can see that the experience that they are demanding is from 0 to 1 years, which means freshers can also apply. Salary is not disclosed over here, but if you will search online, you'll get to know that the salary can range from 3 LPA to 11 LPA, and the average salary of an operations buyer or procurement buyer is about 5 lakhs per annum. Yes, then if we talk about the location of the jobs, and like it is not clearly mentioned that it will be work from home, work from office, on-site or remote. But since it is written here as Bangalore or Bangalore, so I'm assuming that it is going to be work from office only. And here's the apply button. So we'll get on to that later on. First, let's discuss about the job descriptions and roles and responsibility. So job description says that as a procurement buyer, you'll be responsible for delivering several procurement processes. Now, procurement basically means obtaining something, obtaining a particular kind of good or services, right? So if you will be a procurement buyer or operation buyer, so you'll definitely have to participate in different procurement processes on behalf of the company, because a company will be requiring goods and services. So for that, you will have to generate PRs and then convert them into POs and all of that. So we'll get into the detail of all that. Okay, so if we talk about core duties and responsibilities, so receive PR and convert to purchase order. Now, PR is what? It is basically a purchase requisition. So purchase requisition is a type of document which is generated or submitted by the employee. And with the help of this PR, the employee is requesting for the purchase of any type of goods or services on behalf of the company. Okay, so this is quite typical, but I hope I was able to break it down for you. So basically, an employee is submitting this document, and I would say this is not the initiation of purchase, it is just a first step. Now, this purchasing requisition is submitted to the purchasing department. After it is received by the purchasing department, the purchasing department issues what? It issues purchasing order or purchase order. So this department will approve the PR, and then it will approve the PO also. So this is a responsibility of operation buyer, that they have to receive the PR and then convert it into purchase order. Then another would be indirect procurement, purchasing activity and support sourcing system, support sourcing team. Like obviously the sourcing team, like you will have to be connected with the sourcing team, because you are dealing with purchasing orders and all of that, right? Support queries from client and stakeholders. You will also have to assist different clients which are purchasing from you, or whosoever like is the stakeholder or client of the company. So you will have to deal with that. You will have to support the queries of them. Then transmit POs to supplier and expedites delivery when needed or requested. Transmit PO. PO, as I already told, it is purchase order. So after all this process is completed, the PO should be sent to the supplier and expedite now expedite means increasing the pace of something. So expedite the delivery process, right? Manage goods and services, claims and escalation point of the customer queries, amend or closes purchase order or reporting activity, handle queries received from the business requesters, suppliers, all of that. Like this is an entire description. I will put the link of this so that you can, read each and every point. Okay. And also one more thing, like if you want to know more about the entire purchasing process, how it happens, just to get an idea of the roles and responsibilities of this job. And if you are new, if you want to know what is a purchasing buyer, like you're looking for a job, but that you are not very aware of this position, like who is an operation buyer. So I will link one or two sources from which I got to know about this in the description box. So you can just go and check it out. Yes. Okay. Then you should have a positive attitude, planning, curiosity, self-discipline, ability to work in rotational shift, assumes additional responsibilities as assigned. Okay. Then the required technical and professional expertise means the qualifications that they're asking. Any graduate, you see, any graduate with 0 to 1 years of experience. Now this, if you have an experience, it should be in relevant field, like in customer support, inquiry management. And if you don't have an experience, it's fine, you can apply as a fresher as well. Then preferred technical and professional expertise, problem solving. Okay, a great skill, I would say. It is required in each and every job. Customer service, manage difficult or emotional customer situations. You should know how to dodge a particular difficult situation or how to deal with it, how to calm the client down, something like that. Yes. Then interpersonal skills, maintain confidentiality, listen to others without interrupting. Okay, verbal communication, excellent verbal communication skills are required. Need to talk to with suppliers, client over phone, email, as and when required. Listen and get clarifications, all of that. Written communication is also required, writes clearly and informatively. Okay, able to read and interpret written information, like, okay, all of that. So the role is going to be operations manager. Okay, under operations manager, salary not disclosed, industry, we all know IT industry. Yes, role category is in operations, and it is a full-time permanent job. Now if you're wondering that this is contractual basis, whether it is full-time, part-time, all of that, so it is very clearly mentioned that it is a full-time permanent position. Then the key skill that they are asking for is procurement, interpersonal skill, claim, customer support, customer service, client satisfaction, all of that. But the key skills in which they have mentioned a star, that is a must, or those are preferred skills. So make sure you mention them in your resume, right? Yeah. Then the company profile is mentioned. Education, they're asking for any graduate. PG is not required. If you have, then well and good, but it won't make a great difference in the hiring process for you. Like you won't be getting an edge over it. Yes. Then yeah, this is the entire company profile. We don't need to talk about that. Yes. So this was about the roles and responsibilities. So it's time to apply for this position, and I'm going to click on apply now. Now here you can see these are the things that we have to fill in. So first, let's upload the resume. Here you can see the resume has been uploaded, and it's time to fill in the details: first name, last name, your primary email, experience level if you have any. So I don't have an experience, so I will just select early professional, less than 3 years. Areas of interest, you can select it as per your choice. I'm going to choose supply chain for this one, right? Then communities of interest, you can select it if you want to. Preferred language, English, Hindi. I think Hindi is not available, so you can choose English or French, but I think we have less proficiency in French or any other language than English. Primary skill set, you can choose according to your skills. I am choosing marketing. Primary country, obviously India, so I am going to select that. Yes, so now I'm going to continue to application. And here you can see that the entire description is again given, right? So this is it. Over here, now let's apply for this job. Now, if you don't have an account already, you will have to create an account. So I'm going to do the same thing. You will have to agree to all these privacy policies that they have mentioned. So you need to create an account with your email address, Then you have to set a particular password. Okay. Now, after doing all of that, if you want, you can select the security question. What is the name of our school? Now let's get started. You will have to agree to this and continue. Then again, you will have to complete the entire process. You will have to select your address and everything. And after doing that, you will have to save and continue. That was the entire application process. I hope you found this helpful. If you really like the content that I'm sharing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you happen to apply for this position, don't forget to, just comment down below and let me know. I'll be more than happy to know about that. And this is Anamika Singh signing off. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.